name is Benitah, a student from Mukasa Senior Secondary School, Chigunga, Mukono. We attended the function of clean cooking and also environmental conservation. As a school, we participated in the competitions that were put there that included essay writing, skits, and also poem writing. You all know the future is not written. It's not going to be on this sheet of paper that you're going to see. But the future belongs to only those ones who shape it. If at all you don't shape your future, then you don't have your future. So the planet has already spoken, and it's high time for every individual to answer. But the best answer is only going to be got if at all every person has a seat at the table. So I call upon every person to come and sit together so that they can derive the best ideas. Trust me, teamwork makes the dream work. I found the Ministry of Energy having organized to sensitize the people about the clean cooking, where they brought different things, the pressure cookers that are to help improve people's lives. The wood fuel that these people have been using previously is very dangerous to their health because it produces a lot of smoke, which affects the people's health. I urge every person to at least use the renewable energy that has been presented. Use the gas that they have showed you, use the ethanol that they have showed you, and also using the electricity. And above it all, have also got to learn that the electricity even saves more than the use of the charcoal, implying that we are going to conserve our environment.